So we're just arriving on the Carnival Valor. We have a ocean view stateroom, and my hubby is going to unlock the door.
What room number is it again?
2371. And here we are. We have a nice little sofa and table, and there's our ocean view window. Let's check out the bathroom. It's pretty nice and roomy. So what you think, hubby?
Oh, it looks pretty good. Yeah, this is a new addition. We have a sofa with a little, how you say, a little small table, which is pretty good. But I'm infatuated right here. This is our first time having an ocean view. It's a big, large window. A lot of sunlight could come on in, which is awesome. I like the desk area right here. The desk area here. Desk area here, which is nice. Have some counter space. Have some storage space here. We have a refrigerator, which is awesome. Some storage space over there. We also have storage space here. Nice little vanity where my wife can go ahead and do her makeup. So this is pretty good. Have some cabinets, some shelves. Awesome, this is hers. This will actually be mine, which I have something in there already. But again, thank you guys for watching the video. Comment, like, subscribe. Uneducated Gambler, out.